Hey guys, what is up everybody? Welcome to a new video. In today's video I want to talk to you about e-commerce, and especially I want to talk to you about payment systems, because one of the most common questions which everyone who is running e-commerce business or who is managing e-commerce business asking himself is that, okay, what payment gateway should I use for accepting payments from my clients, especially if you're doing not only domestic sales but also international sales. So what would be the safest way to go? And among those offers or among those platforms which actually give you ability, or providers which gives you ability to accept such payments, you can see those names like Stripe or PayPal. They're actually one of the biggest ones. And yeah, in this video I just want to share my own experience using both of them for few of businesses which are running in terms of e-commerce, and they are international businesses, so we're working with international clients, we're shipping worldwide. Some clients, they just want, like, to make it easier, they wanna buy something and they just don't want to go through the whole process of having PayPal account, because in most of the countries people don't really have. I mean, United States, they're really good adopter of PayPal system, so most of the American people and North American people, they have PayPal for their payments. Some of European people is also they having that, but in the rest of the world, like, people using different systems. But credit card is one of those, let's say, payment options which is available everywhere, and it's really common to people and they're easy to go with it. So that's where Stripe is actually a little bit better, because Stripe allows you to pay with your card without any kind of registration or verification process. You just take your card, you pay, and that's where, like, you actually facing the situation that, okay, for some markets you're using PayPal, for some markets you're using Stripe, but same time for some, for some percentage or for some kind of number of transactions, you actually have high risk of kind of like lose this money or lose this profit. And that's where actually Stripe become a little bit more weaker, because for Stripe you actually need to double check everything yourself. So when PayPal actually takes care of being safe, Stripe is actually kind of saying, okay guys, we provide you with the payment, we give you the data, we can actually help you to provide a little bit more AI check. So basically they kind of like giving you options how you can double check any transaction, but it's still on you, so you're actually responsible for any gains and losses. And for us, yeah, we did have such situations where we accept payments with a Stripe, and then we ship the orders, and then after several months we started to get this kind of like claims to return money back to the owner, and we kind of wait, but we send the order, we kind of like provided the service, and they say, no, listen, that person actually said that his card was stolen, someone paid with his card, and then his bank said that money should be returned because they kind of have this kind of insurance policy. And I'm saying, listen, but I provided what I was asked for. So someone made an order with his credit card and we actually ship the product. So we say that, I mean, we did not hold it, we provide what we were asked for, and then basically in the end of the day they say, no, but we cannot argue with the bank, so we should to recall you this transaction. And then like money is being freezed on your account, and then they just refund them, and whatever you want to do with this order, it's on you. So basically you're losing money. And we kind of like have really big number quite big number of transactions where we face the situation. So after that time we kind of like have our own way of how we are managing Stripe transactions, how we double checking them. If you guys interested in that, please leave your comments below this video, and I will make like short tutorial showing you what kind of verification steps we are going through to make sure that this transaction is more likely to be healthy, or if it's risky, so then what we do with these transactions, or how we communicate in this way. Because over the years we already kind of have this experience, and I'm happy to share it if it's interesting to you. So basically, I mean, to wrap it up, there is no kind of single formula where you can use one of each. Basically, you kind of need to find what works the best for you. You kind of need to understand what kind of transactions you're gonna do, what kind of products you're gonna sell, where your clients are coming from, so what is the profile of those clients, what's gonna be the average order amount, and based on all of that, you will be able to understand, okay, we are going for that or that payment system. So guys, let me know what is your experience with PayPal and Stripe, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below this video. Also like this video if it's been helpful, and subscribe. So I see you in the next video. Cheers.